Do you know that 10 upon 3, which is equals to 3.33, is a rational number, but pi, which is equals to 3.142, is an irrational number? But why? So in this video, we will learn the basic concept of rational and irrational numbers. So hello guys, welcome to NoorulRiazi, and this is your mathematics teacher Nuruddin Qureshi. And today we will learn about rational and irrational numbers and their types. So in our video related to classification of numbers, which you can find on the link being appeared on your right top or in the description, we have already discussed all the classification of numbers in detail. But in this video, we will be covering rational and irrational numbers more deeply. So real numbers are classified into two types, rational and irrational. So rational numbers are those which can be represented as fractions, that means in P over Q form, while irrational numbers are those which cannot be represented as fractions. So let's see what are the numbers that can be represented in fractions. So first of all, we have integers. Integers means complete numbers. So integers are negative, 0 and positive. So let's start with minus 2. So minus 2 can be represented as minus 2 upon 1, minus 4 upon 2, or minus 2000 upon 1000. So as you can see that minus 2 can be represented in different fractions. Similarly, 0 upon 1 is also 0, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 1000, or in other words, 0 upon anything is 0. For 3, 3 is equals to 3 upon 1, or 6 upon 2, or 3000 upon 1000. So all these complete numbers, all these integers are rational numbers. Now let's move towards decimals. So here we are talking about those decimals which are terminated after certain number of digits. So for example, we have 0.5. 0.5 is being terminated only after one digit, so it can be converted into 1 upon 2. Similarly, 2.31, it is being terminated after two digits, it can be converted into 231 upon 100. Now let's talk about other type of decimals which are non-terminating but recurring decimals. So what are non-terminating and recurring decimals? Those decimals for which digits are not terminated after the decimals, but a certain set of digits will keep repeating itself. So for example, 0.333. So here is 3 is being repeated infinitely. So as we know, that is equals to 1 upon 3. So it can also be converted into fraction. And then 2.313131, here 31 is the set of digits which is being repeated. So it can be converted into 229 upon 99, which is also a fraction. Now we will see what are the types which lie under irrational numbers. So the decimals which are non-terminating and non-recurring. That means after the decimal place, the numbers will keep repeating themselves, and no matter how much we expand the decimal, we won't find any repetition. So for example, under root 2. The decimal value of under root 2 is 1.414, but if we expand it to millions or trillions of digits, we won't find any repetition. So that is an irrational number, because if there is a repetition, only then we can convert it into a fraction. Similarly, the value of pi, which we use in geometry, its value is 3.142 and so on. Again, if we expand the decimals to millions or trillions of digits, we won't find any repetition. So it also cannot be converted into a fraction. So now guys, let me ask you this question. What are the other types of numbers that are irrational numbers? Do post your answers in the comment section. So this was the basic difference between rational and irrational numbers. I hope you like our video. If yes, then do like, comment and share it as much as possible. And if you like the concept of NoorulRiazi, then do subscribe our channel and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.